I've been burning up the blacktop, I've been wearing out these tires. I got a rebuilt carburetor, I got brand new spark plug wires. I've been clutching and a braking, I've been up these hills and down. Her good love keeps me a-making that Asheville turnaround. I've been a-working like the Dickens, trying to make a living, just a-waiting for the week to end. I try to pay attention, but it's hard to keep from thinking about being in her arms again. There ain't a woman finer than the one in Carolina at the top of Black Mountain Road. Friday comes around, I'll pour some coffee down, and buddy, I'll be good to go. Now 304.5 miles one way puts me on the front porch steps. I know what I got coming, the kissing and a hugging, about as good as any man can get. For 2 days, 2 nights, everything's alright, happy as a hardwood tree. The only thing wrong when Sunday comes along, I got to rock it back to Tennessee. I'll be burning up the blacktop, I'll be wearing out these tires. I got a rebuilt carburetor, I got brand new spark plug wires. I've been clutching and a-braking, I've been up these hills and down. Her good love keeps me making that Asheville turnaround. I just can't let her down, she's the best girl I have found. I make the Asheville turn around.